I'm Mary Rose Corrigan, Public Health Specialist for the City of Dubuque, with the April 3rd, 2020 COVID-19 update from the Dubuque County Public Health Incident Management Team. As of April 3rd, Dubuque County has 23 cases. That's one additional since yesterday in the 61 to 80-year-old age group. The state added 85 positive cases today for a total of 699. Yesterday, the state reported 61 new cases. 80 of the current patients are hospitalized, and in all, there are 8,764 negative tests. On Thursday, April 2nd, Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds extended the declarations, closures of schools, restaurants, bars, all the non-essential retail establishments such as clothing and furniture stores, and other services such as salons, fitness centers, theaters, and places of worship through April 30th. These closures are based on specific criteria the governor and her staff have taken for incremental, step-by-step measures to address social distancing, restrict movement, and essentially provide for stay-in-place practices. Even though local cities and counties are not allowed to make their own stay-in-place orders, Mayor Buell and County Board of Supervisor Chair Dave Baker continue to strongly recommend staying in place, in addition to the state closures and limitations on gatherings. I've been seeing false information about COVID-19 and food safety reported in the media, websites, and blogs. The truth is, food safety and nutrition and wellness specialists with Iowa State University Extension report there is no evidence that COVID-19 is transmitted through food and food packaging. The latest research said that coronaviruses are spread primarily from person to person via airborne and respiratory droplets. Currently, there is no evidence to support transmission of COVID-19 associated with food. However, before preparing or eating food, it is important to always wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds for general food safety. Throughout the day, wash your hands after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing, or going to the bathroom. In general, because of poor survivability of these coronaviruses on surfaces, there is likely very low risk of spread from food or packaged food products that are transported or stored over a period of days or weeks at ambient, refrigerated, or frozen temperatures. Some news for the weekend: the Dubuque Visiting Nurse Association, VNA, has expanded the hours of its call center. In addition to 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, staff will answer calls and messages left on Saturdays and Sundays between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. To access this service, please call 563-556-6200. And since the forecast looks pretty good for the weekend, why not move around outside, keeping social distance measures in mind and avoiding groups? Put on some gloves and pick up the trash in your neighborhood. There's satisfaction in springtime cleanup. It's a perfect time before vegetation starts to cover up litter and before we start to spruce up our yards and neighborhoods. Have a safe and healthy weekend. Take care of yourself. Call your friends and elderly relatives. Most of all, take care of others by limiting your trips to the grocery stores and obeying social distancing measures while out, picking up carry-out food or doing only essential trips. Thanks for tuning in. Be safe, be smart. When in doubt, don't go out. Remember, I'm pulling for you. We're all in this together.